Hi there, I'm Luke. Welcome to Learn Chinese. In this video, I will teach you these Chinese phrases. It's all related to our daily life or related to work. The first one, 下班,下班,下 or ban. I'm signaling the tones with my body language, with my hand, okay? So this is the first tone, high flat. Second is the rising tone. The third is drop and then rise tone is the third tone, okay? And the fourth tone is the falling tone, okay? 下班,下 班 下班 means be off from work. 下 means downward or down or off. Yeah, the pronoun off. Ban means a shift. So like you can get off from the shift. So that means you don't need to work anymore for the day. Okay, 下班 be off from work. 下班 The second, 回家 it means go back home. Go back home. You already finished the day, of the work, right? So you will go back home. Okay, 回家 喝为回家回家 go back home after work, and then of course we will go back home, right? 回家 it means to go back. 家 means home. 回家 摸爱买吃爱菜摸爱买吃爱菜买菜 it means buy vegetables or buy food. Buy food, I should put the word food instead of vegetable because translated into Chinese, that can describe it more accurately. 买 means to buy. 菜 actually it means vegetables, but in Chinese when we say 买菜 it means that you go to the supermarket, you just not go there for merely buying like a vegetable, you also will buy some meat or any other food, okay? So 买菜 means you will buy any food when you go to the supermarket or you go to a produce market. Okay? 买菜摸爱买吃爱菜买菜to buy food. We also need to buy something else, right? When we go to the supermarket, usually we'll buy 水果. It means fruit. 吃 royal tongue, okay? 水果 they both are the third tone, okay? 水果 But you see that this phrase, right? Each of the character, right, is marked with the third tone. They both are the third tone, but like the last character, it doesn't pronounce light, for the syllable or for the pinyin. So this is pretty complex. If you have watched my last video, don't get confused with this, okay? But there isn't a very explicit or clear rule, in explaining of the difference, of this one with a phrase that pronounces the last character light, okay? 水果 shi 为水 给我果 水果 it means water 果 it means fruit. Usually fruits are very rich in water, right? Most fruits are very juicy, so that means we call it 水果. Let's say watermelon. Almost 90% of watermelon is water, right? or even 95%. I'm not sure. Yeah, but it's close to that number, 95%, I guess. 水果. And then after buying all the food and the fruits, and then we go back home. So what we will do next? We will 做饭. We will make a meal, right? 知卧做，知卧做，做 饭，做饭，做 means to make or to do, okay? To make what? To make a meal. Meal means 饭 means it also refers to the rice in Chinese, because most Asian people, right, we eat rice. Yeah, so when we say we make a meal, that means we will cook a rice and cook some vegetables or cook some meat, make some dishes. 做饭 做饭 to make a meal. Okay. 洗碗 after having a meal, after eating a meal, and then we will need to wash the dishes, right? So we do the dishes. Who do the dishes? Yeah, okay, this it's my turn. I will do the dishes. I will do the dishes today. Okay, so 洗碗 洗 it means wash. 碗 it means the bowls. Okay, the bowls we use to put the rice in or put the food in that we eat. I mean, this is the Asian culture. Okay, the Chinese culture is like that. Yeah, we eat. Most people here eat rice, and we take rice with our bowl. With a bowl, we put the rice into the bowl. Yeah. 洗碗, so we need to wash the bowls or the plates. 洗碗 洗碗 After having a meal and with the dishes done, so we can rest a bit, we can take a break, and then we will play my cell phone, okay? Nowadays we call it a smartphone, okay? 手机 means cell phone. 手 means our hand, and hand. 机 means a machine or device. So a cell phone is a device that we can handle with our hand, right? We can play with our hand, we can control it. Yeah, it's controllable just with our hand. We can click through or tap through. Yeah, so 手 means hand, 机 a device. So a cell phone is that a device we can operate with our hand. Okay, we can hold it with our hand. We can take it to anywhere with our hand. 手机 手机 cell phone or smartphone. 电脑 的燕电的一燕的一燕电 呢熬 now squeeze your tongue, okay? Sorry, squeeze your nose. 脑电脑 means computer or sometimes laptop, but more often, yeah, we call it computer. 电脑 电脑 电 means electricity. 脑 means our brain. A computer actually just works like a human's brain, right? It is very smart, it is very intelligent, even though it is powered by electricity, right? So we call it a brain that empowered or by electricity. Yeah, it's a smart device. Yeah, an intelligent device. 电脑 computer 电脑 And then it's time about to take a shower, right? Take a shower or take a bath. It depends, okay? If you use a shower, and then we call it take a shower, like in the UK. If you just take a bath, and then we say take a bath, okay? 洗澡 洗 means to wash, okay? 澡 it's a place that you go inside to wash your body. Yeah. So 洗澡 so that means you to go to the place to wash your body. but for in different cultures, and then we call it differently. Okay, like in English, we say take a shower or take a bath, but in Chinese, we call it 洗澡. Okay, I remember that once there was a joke. One of my friends that we were having an interview, and the interviewer was a Singaporean. Yeah, the viewer is Singaporean, and so she asked my friend, "What do you do? Yeah, daily?" So my friend, his English was uh, not that good, so he said that in the evening I will wash my body every day. So and then the interview left, and afterward the interviewer just told us that how the interview was going with my friend. So we all laughed at our friend. Yeah, he said that I washed my body every day. He meant to, but he actually it's the correct way to say that he takes a bath or takes a shower every day, right? 洗澡啊，睡觉，睡觉 it means sleep or to go to bed. Okay, 睡觉睡 means sleep, sleep. 觉actually it means to wake up. So I can really explain this perfectly here. So let's skip that in order to not confuse you. Okay, let's just skip this phrase. Okay, 睡觉 it means sleep or to go to bed. Okay, 睡觉诗 royal tongue. Okay, 睡觉睡觉. Okay, one more time. I read it all the pinyin one more time. Okay, 下班回家买菜水果做饭洗碗手机电脑洗澡睡觉. Okay, thank you for watching. And if you like my video, yeah, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.